Hey friends, welcome back to HP Guides. Today I am going to explore one techie product for you guys. It's twin wireless earbuds. It is just launched on Amazon. It is launched under manufacturing Boat is a very famous brand for earphones, headphones, etc. This is a mid-range product which is supported by Boat, and its brand is called Edict. Let's quickly unbox it and find out how this product is. So here we go. They have the stickers on both the end for ensuring that they are pretty good new. So we need to cut off that sticker as well. Here we go. It's a slide box, nice and decent, and wow, look at the size of this. The carry case is so compact. It's so beautiful and so handy. It is having the following specifications. That is, it is having 8 mm drivers, that is having engaging sound. It's having an ergonomic design. It's having the Bluetooth version 5. The carry case is a 3x charge and it is having 380 mAh battery. It is also supported by instant voice assistant like Google and multifunctional control with mic. So let's look at the product. See, this is it. It's really very good. The headphone is having the magnetic lock inside the box that is capturing this entire product. And here is the indication. If you can see, this is the indication that shows us the percentage of the battery charge on the carry case. Once you take out an headphone, it will start blinking red and blue light like this. That means it's ready for pair. You can pair this device with your headphone. And see how it fits in your ears. Okay, so all in all, I can say this product is really very good. I have checked with the sound quality already. It is having the premium build, although it is not as having any touch panel on it like other TWS. Okay, but it is having a button on it, and that button is really smooth. It is very handy and it is really good product. What I suggest is 5 out of 5 stars for it. Just go for it if you are searching for a good product, best product in this price range. It got me in $12.99, but I ordered 2 of them. That's the reason it's $12.99. Whereas if you are going to order just one, then Amazon is having, right now when I was creating this video, at that time it is having a scheme which will provide you at $12.98. Okay, there is no much difference, just a difference of 1 rupee, so you can go for it. Really nice product. Thank you. I hope you like this.